Let's start from copy pips area to DD49 here, then select only constant and change pips to move. So if pip equal to 6 pip, we move backward by 6, so minus 6, the rest is Unicode, minus by 9855 here, hide this area. And first level is sum of the move, so ABS of the move here. Then just, this is preparing, so just equal to last one here. And then copy start area here. Then this is all the move sequence of 25, start by 0. Then the 6 is minus 3, 8 minus 3, and then 13, 17, 23 is minus 27, and then plus everything. Okay, and that another formula is look up mod of the move plus previous move by mod by 25, and then use lookup to return the move here. Copy everything, Ctrl A, copy paste, Ctrl A, paste here, paste here. And the only sum we finish, so Unicode of this one until we reach 24 on this. So Unicode minus 9855, the same thing, copy down. And here we need to check if we finish, so we call if by 24, then return finish. If not, then last turn. If last turn is 0, return start. So done. Okay, now let's check the answer for level 5 here. Level 5. Level 4 and the rest. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.